If the Supreme Court rules against voters in Wisconsin and Maryland who challenged partisan gerrymandering in those states, legal experts said more states may consider efforts like Ohio's. About a quarter of U.S. states have given a commission either full or partial authority in redistricting. These commissions vary in form, some allowing elected politicians as members and other more independent ones not allowing them. Some commissions merely advise lawmakers. In addition to Ohio and Arizona, the others include Alaska, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Hawaii, Idaho, Missouri, Montana, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and Washington state, according to the National Conference of State Legislatures. More states could join them soon, with groups proposing ballot initiatives in Michigan, Utah, and Oklahoma this year, according to the New York University School of Law's Brennan Center for Justice. Constitutional rights in the Supreme Court cases. Democratic voters in Wisconsin and Republican voters in Maryland argued that partisan gerrymandering violated their rights under the U.S. Constitution, either the rights to free speech and association or the guarantee of equal protection under the law. The rulings could be among the most consequential of the court's current term, reverberating through American politics for decades. But the justices could resolve the cases in a variety of ways. Without deciding the constitutional questions, they could rule that such claims cannot even be brought in federal courts. The Supreme Court last dealt with the issue in 2004 in a case notable for Justice Anthony Kennedy's concurring opinion that left the door open for courts to intervene if a workable standard for identifying and measuring impermissible gerrymandering could be devised. All eyes are still on Kennedy, a conservative who sometimes sides with the court's liberals in major cases. Shutting off federal courts would be terrible news for American democracy, said University of Chicago Law School professor Nicholas Stephanopoulos, a lawyer for the Wisconsin challengers. The practice of gerrymandering is eroding the very idea of what it means to be a democracy in a lot of states. Otherwise, the U.S. Supreme Court and other federal courts are going to be drawing districts, and I'm pretty sure John Roberts and company don't want to be doing that, said Huffman, referring to the U.S. Chief Justice.